Let me know if it's live. Streaming live at 8 seconds. Okay. It's coming up. Yay! Streaming live at 8 seconds. Oh, I can hear myself coming up. Yay! Streaming live at 8 seconds. Oh, I can hear myself coming up. Alright, so, okay. Let me repeat myself. Sorry that. Okay, so, let's, ano muna, or whatever. Yep, I need to transition this. Okay, just a quick, just so you guys can see me, my ugly face and all that that's going on. So, what's up, guys? Again, I need my battery. Need my battery up. Right. All right, take two. Okay, so what's up, guys? Renzi here, and in this video, I'm going to continue the live audit of Scorpio's web design services. They actually do a great, pretty great job of designing your website. So if you have clients or you wanna start a website of your own for your business or your blog, you go ahead and check Asis. He's really a nice person. Again, so yeah, April, Mark, yeah, welcome, man. Welcome to my channel, basically. So, what I was saying. I also want to mention that a couple of some people were kind of giving me comments and feedbacks regarding the first video, and I do appreciate it. It was just right out of the fly, and no scripts and everything. I just want to get it started right away. It's long overdue in my part, and I want to get right into it, like go right out the snap. Anyways, I hope you did learn stuff from the first video, and just stick along as we continue and improve our thing and our craft. What I could say is the videos that I will be creating is not the kind of garbage that most of you might come across day in, day out. A good, a nice presentation, all those kind of shit. Although I'm moving towards improving the scenery of the background and all those kind of shit, and getting myself a good setup. It's just to improve the quality of the videos and stuff like that. But here and forward, I'll be teaching a lot of SEOs, basically. From all levels, from beginners to advanced, and maybe beginners to advanced. I don't really consider myself a professional, or an expert at what I do, but I am proficient enough. It's the term. I'm proficient enough to get things done and do numbers for my clients and alike. Okay, so. If you do have questions, feel free to shout it out in the comments, you guys. All right. So just let me turn off my screen and let's get started. All right, scene. All right, here we go. Is that working? Yeah. All right. You can still see my ugly face down at the lower right corner. Okay, so let me juggle this again. Live video. All right. So as I mentioned in my first video, this SEO audit is composed of 3 parts. We have the SEO roadmap, the benchmarking, we have the keyword mapping. What it is SEO roadmap is more like finding all the problems of a website or web pages, and then fixing them, and then basically setting up the foundation of a good structured website. Now, why would it matter? Is because whatever you do after that, after the foundation, it kind of what's the term? It kind of boosts just by doing minor changes on the pages, or on the pages or web properties that you want to rank in Google or search engine for that matter. So even I would even say that I've seen a lot of resources that just by doing proper on-page optimizations, correct structures and everything, websites rank. Not yeah, in a local sense, that is. So yeah, going back. So phase 2 is benchmarking. Basically, we're gonna look for example, let's show that right off the bat. Yeah. So let me know, guys, if you're good and you can hear me just fine. Feel free to comment below. Yeah, we only have 3 people here, but that's good. It's a start there. I hope you find this okay. So all right, so not much right now. So benchmarking is, I mean, phase 2 is, yeah, okay, yeah, phase 2 benchmarking and page level audit. It's basically looking at the pages. For example, let me see. Okay, portfolio. Let's look at this real quick. Page. Let's do exact. All right. So what benchmarking is basically, right now we don't have the data. It's basically looking at the page and finding out what queries or keywords that it gets clicked for, or it's shown for. So impression is what it's shown for, or how much it's shown for, and clicks is how much it actually, I mean, the page is actually get clicked. All right, so I can't figure. Maybe let's try contact. Maybe it's just to show you guys what it looked like. Okay, see you. All right, so we understand that we don't have much data yet, because it's pretty much a brand new, oh, not brand new, but ASIS never kind of optimized this for SEO purposes, and it is mainly the reason why I'm doing this right now. Okay, let's try the articles. Okay, it's loading fairly fast. It's just my connection is killing me, because I only have creep. Okay, we don't have. All right, let's try a different one. So I just want to show you that how it would look like. So all right. All right, so I put in the average TRs and stuff like that. So if I put in a page here like this, I put in let's say yeah, just for the sake of it, assuming that we already put in our page, then you can see here the query that it is being shown or ranked, and then you will see the clicks, the actual clicks, meaning the how many times it got clicked for that keyword, for that query. It means that I mean that page that you are checking, it is showing for this keyword, and it is clicked this number of times, and it is shown this number of times, and it is converting this number of times, and in the average position for this keyword for that page that you put in up there is this one. Okay, so that's basically the gist of it. That's what, okay, let's open it up. That's what benchmarking looks like from the get-go. Okay, it's nothing here yet. All right, so yeah. Okay, yeah, so so for benchmarking, we actually do it on a monthly basis. I find that in some situations I even end up doing it twice a week because of example with my other client. With all the problems that we have with the site, I had to rerun an audit, fix all the steps, and then rerun another audit. I mean, a benchmarking and stuff like that until we get there, until we get that, and then hopefully we fix everything and start, really building the internal links and the internal pages. All right, so let's go back to our site-wide audit list. So this one, let's look at the list. You can actually look at this in Screaming Frog, this one here, but I find it useful to just pop up the tool and look right into it. So again, Screaming Frog is free for the first 500 URLs, and then the next one would be, I mean, the preceding ones you will have to, if your website has more than 500 pages, unfortunately you have to buy the pro version of it or acquire it however you want. But if you need help with running, you have a website that you want to kind of you want me to crawl using Screaming Frog, just feel free to reach out on my Facebook and the YouTube channel and stuff like that. Let's just all right. Okay, there you go. So for those of you who just joined us, feel free to drop in your questions. I'm open to those as well if you have any. So okay, going back to our checklist. So it says here incorrect usage of 301s, canonicals, so basically response code. So the way I do it is I go ahead and go to Screaming Frog. After you do the crawl, and on my previous video I showed you how to set up how to start a crawl in Screaming Frog, basically how to set up the APIs configurations here. You set up the Google Analytics, and then you set up the Search Console. You're only able to set that up if you have integrated, if you have access to the email that contains the analytics and search consoles for your website. So yeah, check that video out, and if you have questions, again, just feel free to drop it here or on that video or Facebook for now. Again, going back, so this I pointed this out earlier. This URL is an author profile, an author page, and it's linked, and it's 301. It's status code 301. So what 301 means, a redirect. Yeah, basically 3xx something, 3 something something is a redirect command. So if you want to learn more of that, just go ahead and search it in Google. There are lots of content, lots of information regarding this. All right, so what we notice, so you see our task is about incorrect usage of 301s and stuff and so on. So right here we can see that this is an author page that is 301 redirected to the oh damn mouse, come on, work with me. All right, so it's 301 redirected to the home page. A lot of SEOs would tell you to, if you don't have if you don't have an equivalent page for the URL, you just 301 it to the home page, which is actually a wrong, not wrong, but it's actually bad practice of SEO of 301 redirects, because what it's telling Google is you are redirecting a page or a URL that used to have a page that doesn't match the content of your homepage. It's sending the wrong signal, basically. So what you need to do is you actually go you actually go and check this out. Where was it? Okay, you actually need to go and check it out here. Oh, I'm in the wrong property. Sorry, guys. Okay, I just change properties. All right, checking out for questions. Okay, so oh, by the way, appreciate you guys staying up this late. Uh, I I'll try my best to do it earlier on an earlier time. It's just that a lot of things happened tonight that uh, that caused the delay and stuff like that, and I couldn't sleep and still awake. I have all the ideas in my mind running, so I decided to do a live video. So here you can see it's not getting there are no clicks, there are no impressions for the URL. This one, for this URL that we have right now, it got no clicks. Basically, it got no impressions, no data whatsoever. So it's ideal for me to just assign a 4010. What is a 410 reader? What is a 410 status? Okay, so what I do again, so let me repeat. If the URL has no clicks or impressions for that matter, what you do is you assign a 410 status code to that URL, meaning to say a specific URL is already gone permanently. It's no longer coming back. So Google would, when Google crawls that URL again and it sees the status code, okay, then Google decides, okay, this is no longer relevant in our crawl. That's why they tend to just leave it alone, and then it just dies naturally on its own. Those URLs. So right here, we just kind of, sorry guys, it will take forever for me to just complete the entire roadmap, because each and every time I land on an item on the list, I kind of feel like explaining it to you, but it's good. Like I said, we'll be improving this as we progress over time. So okay, going back to our task. So you can see here that it's not good. We have a problem there that is to be fixed. We just had to we just had to export this. Looking for SEO scraping frog files. Here we go. There you go. Okay. Another jug of water again, because I'm kind of husky voice. Stuff like that. All right. Okay, so it's already in our screaming frog file. Just waited a while. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. You see this? It's coming. Okay, while we're waiting for that. All right. So improperly optimized categories. I assume that this is not optimized as well. Properly optimized categories. Oh, well, waiting. Okay, categories. Okay, articles, hobbies. Excuse me. Okay, so categories. I don't understand what hobbies are or snippets are doing on a web design website. So basically, this has to be changed for the better. Basically, so let's look at the pages. Hobbies, articles. Yeah, you just kind of rename this. What really category names should be for your niche. So let's look at the pages. Still not there. Come on, man, show me. Ho ho ho. Just checking if you have questions. Oh, no questions. right? Crystal, bro, Assist, you following this, man? All right, all right, all right, all right, right. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. How to make money on Pinterest with 3 simple strategies. Okay. Yeah. Protect your freelance. Don't hesitate to follow. Yeah. Yeah. Another thing I noticed is the topics are very unrelated to web design or web development for that matter. I would suggest uh, creating contents that are related to the niche itself, because what happens here is you're creating a lot of contents that are unrelated to each other, and Google sees it like um, it's like when you look at someone and the style, the upper body, the head, the center, and the kind of trousers and all this stuff doesn't match. So Google sees your site like that. So you have to create content that kind of relates to each other. It actually improves your we call it trust factor, because Google sees, okay, you're writing content about web design, and then you have a lot of topics that are related to web design, so you must be a web design website. It it just makes sense that I rank you for this set of keywords, whereas I shouldn't rank you for this set of keywords. So that basically is what it that's the gist of it basically. All right. So okay. So I guess that's again a no. Did I say? Yeah. That's a no. Yeah, and then let's look at this. Yeah. Also, if you want to do SEO, you have to equip yourself with lots and lots of tools every day while you're training it. And stop. Yeah. In my case, I mean, in my opinion, you kind of stick to one person that you want to follow and learn SEO. And then once you think that you have exhausted that person's resources, then you move to the next one. And then most importantly, the best form of learning is by actually doing it yourself. So if you do SEO and you don't have a website, then might consider actually creating a website and do the thing. You start hustling basically. So let's put this guys at 302. Yeah, 302. These are external 30 301s. Okay, let's just put it in just to show you what I would do. Technical issues. All right, here we go. All right, the URL is right here, and the redirect. Oh, okay. It should be. It's the other way around. So this is the link URL, and this is the URL that it's linking to. Unnecessary 301. So let's put it there. Okay. So you can just you can adjust stuff like that, and then so let's go back to our audit. I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. All right, happy to do that. Okay. So yeah, if you have comments regarding how I deliver, if you think I'm speaking too fast, it's just let me know, and how I should improve. Yeah, I'm really open to your comments and stuff like that. Multiple categories per post. So let's go on. Kind of categories. Yep, this one. Tags, you don't need this. You kind of get rid of that. I mean, you don't bother with it. All right. Oh, okay. Ooh, you have a lot of pages here, bro. And oh, look at this. How to start a web design. Let's take a look at that. You have 5 comments already. Oh man. Tutorials. What did we have? Oh yeah, we have. Yeah. Oh, it's all in draft. Okay, that makes sense. So I would uh, assume that you don't have multiple categories per page. You only have one. Oh, a thank you page. Yeah, I think we didn't. We don't have a thank you page. I think. Thank you. Are there? Oh yeah, you don't have a thank you page. I think. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this blog and the comments that we have. John. Oh, John loves you so much, bro. All right. What's next? Okay, yeah, the comments. Another thing about comments is some you turn it off, some you don't. Okay, on a blog page, you do kind of turn it. You do want to turn it on, especially if there are actually real people who are commenting on your blog, because it actually adds content, free content on your blog, and that's something that Google wants to see on your pages. That every time they visit your blog or your pages, every time they crawl all the pages of your website, they see activities, basically activities and stuff like that. So if you want to do a Facebook comment here, you kind of want to put the frame here, but I don't know if that's good. SEO, I mean, page loading speed wise, if it's using an iframe, then you're better off with the custom comment thing. And then thank you page, you don't have thank you page. PDF. Okay, let's go to media files. Media files library. Let's get rid of this whole page. How many are we taking that much time? Yeah, 30 minutes is it's nothing, man. Yo. Images, man. Show me. Okay. So what else? Dates. No index to follow. Oh, yeah. You don't have to look at it one by one. You actually go to Yoast appearance. Yeah. Okay. So content type. You check these one by one. The only thing that we want indexed and follow our blogs and pages. That's it. Oh, okay. I don't need a pro. Oh, come on. Sorry, my internet is killing me. Alright, come on. Alright, post. That works. Yeah, I think let's look at this. So, okay, media files, redirect, attach URLs to the they actually have redirect attachment URLs to the attachment itself. You actually needed the media files to redirect to its own URL when it gets clicked. Reasons for that is you basically want Google to recognize that this link is this page, and this page I mean this URL is within your website, and it is one of your properties right now. So from the XML sitemap, I looked at this earlier. Post tags has to be out there. Has to be removed. I mean, has to be removed. Categories, yeah, that's good. It's here, yeah. It has to be no index, mainly because it tends to rank multiple pages for the same keyword or key phrases, and you don't want that because Google would see it as spammy or over optimization. Category. Um, okay, did we have the prefix? Like, no, I just get, don't mess with it. Okay, so here we go. PDF. Oops. PDF no index. I don't think we have a PDF. The date. Okay, the date. Author archive. Yeah. Okay. Author new index of file. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes. Yes. Post tags. Yes. No index. Disable date. Oh, you have to actually. Why do you disable date? Because it um, Google also closes something like that, and when it sees that your page is outdated, it kind of I mean, Google would like to see fresh contents basically. Not in all cases, because there are also evergreen contents out there that doesn't need to be updated or has to be fresh for that matter. It just had to be um, it just have to be information that's already already uh, established, for example, like science or whatever. One way to get away with this is what you do is every month or every 3 months you kind of go to all of the posts and update your post manually, update the publish date. For example, let's say I hope it's just my connection that's really slow, bro. Okay, I still have three people watching, and that's good. That's good enough for starters. So what you do is, so you just change the post date, and then you republish the article or the blog post. But what happens is you end up with hundreds of blog posts, and you can't do that every now and then. Well, there's a plugin to do that, but for the general consensus, we like to disable the date archives for that very reason. In my experience, that is, it could be different to some. Product tags, yeah, product tags. If you have an e-commerce, you kind of yeah, you just put NA there. WP directories X. I just put X maybe, so it because it turns to red. Account page. Do we have that? Special pages. Breakdowns enabled. Okay. Account page. Let's look at your account page. What else? Account media attachments. Oh, no index. No. How did we follow that? Media. Oh wait. Yeah, it's good. You don't have account page. Yeah, X. Yeah. Media attachments. Yeah. No index. Yeah, no index. Thin content or no value pages. So first this item will take more than just a quick look. So what we do is we go here and let's look here. It's not here. It's not here. Okay, let's go here. Let's go for word count. Oh, yeah. Actually, you can actually do it here. We have the template. So whoop, whoop. Let's look for, okay, here we go, word count. Oh, you what are these pages, man? View, let's freeze. What kind of pages are these? Copyright, photo. Yeah, a lot of this has to be word count 0. What? Oh yeah, you. Oh, that's weird. Definitely weird. Can do a rerun. Maybe something went wrong with the. What was that? Count. Oh, it doesn't do that. Word count. Oh, can't find it. Come on, show it to me. Word count. There we go. Okay. 0. So there must be something wrong with my crawl, because obviously it's not 0. The home page. Oh, okay. Perfect SEO solutions. Oh, you have that, bro. Yeah, you see the tags. This has to be. All right. There's the home page. It's you lose track of it. Word count. Let's just to verify if our crawl on the spreadsheet is correct. Now, yeah, this is the correct one. Word count. And we need to export this again. How are we gonna do? All right. So this today is 3/16/2019. Yeah. If it's already late for you guys, you can go ahead and skip this. You can watch this in the morning. I'll definitely post this on the channel, so you can just watch this again. Screen frog in links. You're still watching? Oh gee, thanks again guys for staying with me at all those times. Okay, we'll just wait for it. But yeah, it happens live. Duh. So what I'm saying, what I would do is, if I see all this, low content pages, which is not the correct ones right now. What we would do is we grab them all, copy the URL, and then, for example, this case, okay, you go to technical tab, you put the URL there, then you look for the correct issue name and label for the issue. Broken links, ineffective sitemap architectures, and it needs to minify contains images. Oh, these are okay. Yeah, you don't put it here because it's just technical issues. We actually have to go to. Oh, I didn't have it here. Okay, I'll go back to my template. Let's check that, man. Okay. Alright, open Sesame. Okay, and then okay. Okay, that's the page that we want to be. Is it already in there? Let's just check. Juggle water. What? This is the thing that I didn't add. add. Oh, this is not good. Oh yeah, we just had to put it in technical audit for now, but usually there's supposed to be a content analysis tab that needs to be in there. Just put in thin content. You can put it in thin content. The issue right there. So we moving ahead, moving along, moving ahead. Oh, let's see. All right, we have this already. Open PDF, water. Too much water, yeah. Yeah. Then, oh, come on. You're still loading. Oh, right. Here. Here. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oof. Yeah, crappy internet, man. I need to pay my bills. Pay my bills. Yeah, let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can do that. If it doesn't change. Hopefully it doesn't change. Oh, it changes everything. I lose all the custom coding. Alright, so we put this, do it like this. Do it like this, and just kind of delete everything. Right. Okay, and put it back. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Alright. Okay. Let's see if it's working. I mean the thin content. Word count. There we go. Yep. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's go with A to Z. Sort it out. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. What's up with this, man? Still. My G. OMG. Yeah. What's happening here? Oh. What's happening? Oh no. Oh. My connection is killing me. Oh no. Okay. Let's move on for now until it kind of figures out itself. But basically, you get the gist of how to look at it, right? So no meta keywords. We don't want meta keywords in there. And then here you go. Yeah, this one. We make sure that it's not being okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Right. So there's no meta keyword. So we're good with that. Yes. Maybe just complete that. Everything that's completed here, we'll just click so we don't have to go back and categorize URL structure. What this means is if our portfolio. So what this means is like, for example, if we have services and then the types of services, let's say web design, like that. So we know that the URLs are categorized accordingly. So for example, you have the blog, so you say maybe blog and then the actual category name, and then the actual URL of the blog, URL, you get what I mean. So if that is correctly done, then you just go ahead and do this, yes. Because what I'm seeing right now, I think it's hidden, bro. I think the what do you call this? Yeah, your services, or we don't have it yet. Uncategorized post. Oops, I doubt it. We don't have that. 4 pages that gets, yeah, this is what I was trying to say earlier. Yeah, we do have that. 404 pages. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at it. Oh, okay. My mouse is not cooperating. So we have, let's look at for status code 404. So these are like, yeah, these are like some CSS and WP content caches. So which we could actually assign if it's a client error, so we just need to ignore that. Yes. Pages, 4 pages, we don't have that, but we just have to 302s. Let's look at 302s. Do we have 302s? No, 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 and no. Okay, we don't have that. Oh, it's 4 pages that gets trapped. Let's just put it. Let's just say it's, yes, we don't have that. All footers and headers working. The way you do without clicking it to save your time, you just hover in, and you can see at the bottom of the screen, right here. You see it right here. You can see the URL of that link. See it there, and you'll know it's working just by hovering. All right, videos, YouTube channel. I personally prefer a page for the videos, and then host the videos on that page, so that on the you avoid having external links on your navigation, because it doesn't look that good UX wise. Because what happens is, if they, let's say for example, I just click on the video, and then I'll just really click on the video, and then I happen to not like what I'm seeing. I just close that, and I go back here. What happens is that's pogo sticking. External pogo sticking is very bad for your health, basically. And then I start looking out pages here. Okay. All right. What else? Oh, footer link. So we continue, and then we continue here. Footer. Okay. Okay, it's working. Yes. Internal links being properly utilized. Let's look at the internal links of the pages right here. We have a spreadsheet here because every time we do an audit, a site-wide audit, we do that like every 3 months or so, or 2 to 3 months. We create another Screaming Frog sheet, but if you prefer like going here, that's 100% okay. All right, so yeah, I'm just making sure I'm still recording. Yeah, so it's just, I mean, what I'm saying is it's just your preference, but the way I do is I just use this spreadsheet because it's easy for me to move from one tab to another. So what we're looking at is internal links. And okay, here you go. Internal links, let's Z to A. Oh, okay, we need to go up there. Okay, so 100, 100. Oh, unique. All right, there's something wrong with it with Screaming Frog, or how it's scrolling. your website, bro. But here you see in links, basically the total number of links that is pointing to this URL. But the unique number of in links, basically the actual page itself is 0, which is weird. So that's what it means. In links basically are the total number of links that are pointing to a page from within the same domain name, while outlinks, I mean unique in links means the total number of pages within the same domain name or domain that is linking to another page. So if say page, that means if page A links to page B 3 times, it only counts as one unique in links for page from page A to B. That's basically what it means. So in links, and then we have outlinks. Outlinks is the number of pages that a certain page. That's confusing. What I'm saying is outlinks is the number of links within the page that is linking to another page within the domain. So for example, page A is linking to ABCDEFG pages one time. So that's what you see here, outlinks. Unique outlinks is if it's linking, for example, site A is linking to site B 3 times, unique outlinks will count it only as one instance. Okay, external outlinks is again it's a link on a page on a website that is linking to an external web domain. So looking at internal linking structure and external. So we only want to see this, and we only want to, well, no, not actually, but the first thing I would look at is the unique number of links, unique number of in links, and the unique number of external outlinks. There's no external outlinks. Why is this one the same? Oh, this one. Oh yeah, this one is a unique one. All right, that makes sense. So if I say like did I sort this correctly? So A to Z. So for example, if I see a lot of in links to this pages, and then we don't have external links, then we need to fix that. But right now, as it is, we have 100 in links but 0 unique in links and outlinks and stuff like so. Everything here is 0 and nothing here. This one as well, so it needs fixing. Or what it's telling us is we need to fix our internal link structure, which is actually a very crucial aspect of on-page SEO. Images, all right, images missing alt tags. Okay, let's go to Streaming Frog and hit images right here, or you can just go to drop down and look for images like that, and then you go to filter and then missing alt tags. Pap. Okay, we have this number that it doesn't have it. It don't have alt tags, and then what we do is export them. We put it on our folder, and then I might as well. What? Okay, someone just. Okay. What was that? Alright, maybe just no. Anyways, going back, it's really taking long. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's been an hour of me chit-chatting. So yeah, going back, I'll do a couple more, and then we can conclude depending how it goes. Yeah, so I have already exported that. It should appear here any moment. And let's just go back to our list right here. Image title tags too short. So the way we do that, okay, Streaming Frog audit, shoot, oops, go back, title. All right, here we go. So the way you know is by sorting this Z to A. What we did here is just basically what we just here. Let me show you. Yeah, so basically if it's between 30 to 72 characters, it becomes green, meaning it's not too long, it's not too short. If it doesn't falls, if it's not within 30 to 72 characters, it's either too long or it's very short. Okay, that's what this color designation means. So pretty much we're on a mark on a couple of pages and not so with some of the pages. So I could say that's page level. I would say this is a no. So let's look at our missing images. Open with Google Drive. We actually have to put in no here. So let's go to technical issues. Come on. You just grab the address. Jeez, man. Move. Ah. It's really a sore when your browser is slow. Wow, this is because of the connection. That's my bad. All right, then let's go with let's see if we have this missing alt tags. All right, here we go. Oh, there's quite a lot. All right, so okay, how what would be the next step to do after we finish the audit? Yeah, you might be asking that by now. Yeah, gotta go, bro. Yeah, okay, sure, man. Let's talk in the morning, and we have a meeting tomorrow. Yeah, by the way, tomorrow we will also do another live video, maybe, or just a video recording of the live stream. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a couple of people in there with me teaching them the basics of SEO. I'll be having a presentation with them, and then a couple of Q&As. You can also participate in there in the live chat if you want to, and then you can also watch the video after that. So yeah, after we finish all of this, basically the next thing we need to do is we're going to fix all those that we have seen, like all the errors that we found, we're gonna fix them. And all the errors related to technical will be put in here, and all the errors that needs to be fixed, that are easily fixed, we just basically go ahead and do that. And then what I do is I then go ahead and I basically put in my notes over here, and then I go over to Asana. Let's look at Asana. Let's look at a sample here. I'll go to Asana and and I create a task for it. Oops, this is not the one. Yeah. I don't have permission to show some of my clients' work, so my apologies there. So yeah, so this is what it looked like. So So we couldn't tab N. What's that, tab N or shift N? It's supposed to be tab N. Tab N Z. Oh, sorry. Okay, SEO. Basic. So I put a label there, and then I kind of forget how it works, but yeah, we just put it in there, basics, and then we put in the task, like for example, SEO audit. So for example, sitemap including the robots.txt. Then we assign the person, and then we grab the URL and put it in here, and then oh no, we put it here, and we put the name of the person that's assigned to. So for a project, if you have someone doing if you have a team, yeah, or you have a project manager for your site, then your project manager will just look at this sheet, basically giving him an overview of what's happening, what's going on, and stuff like that. So whenever he sees, okay, this is done, this is basically the master list of all the items that's going to be fixed. After auditing this, you actually go to the page level and do the same thing. All of the page, you actually have to create one sheet per page. I'd say you do it for your service pages first, or your money pages first, for that matter. Yeah. So I think so. We are already on our 1 hour mark. All right. So I think I need to. We have to stop it for now. What I would suggest is you just keep on watching the videos, the training videos here and there, and then pick up as you go, and then practice. Basically, practice. It's just how it is. It's the easiest way to learn how to be proficient in doing SEO stuff and all those things. Again, if you have like questions, suggestions, feel free to reach out, guys. I haven't set up my website yet, but it's coming along. It's been taken care of. All my social, yeah. Basically, I don't have anything yet aside from this channel. It's not even optimized yet, but that's okay. We're moving towards improving everything as we go, and take it from there. Take it one day at a time, I guess. Yeah. Okay. I guess I have to go, and till next time, guys. Take care. Bye.